Wow.
Can I do my show yet? Can I do my show now? Okay.
That's nice. Kaylana, show me your Hannah Montana song. Do the best of both worlds.
You get the best of both worlds. You get a rock show.
Cool. Now do the Nobody's Perfect one.
Nobody's perfect. I've got to walk it again and again until I got it right.
Good job.
And then I do it all over again. You get the best of both. I have to start all over again. You get the best of both worlds.
Well, then I guess
You get a rock out the
on Monday
show.
you'll have two new
Nobody's
5.5-year-old
perfect. I gotta walk it.
That's the deal.
Did not take Brad's kid though.
Oh, I know she would.
Hey Carol, what you doing? Stop! No, what you staring at? It's my
Oh, you're getting into Lana's time.
Yeah, we measured.
Okay, here.
Stop! Freak!
Hey, Logan.
Hey, stop!
You're fine, baby.
You missed another part that I was doing.
Oh, no.
You missed the other part of me, too. There's another part that you missed. Ah!
Logan, don't do that.
Hello.
Hello, bird.
Brock.
And say hello to the puppies. Puppies. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi.
One's over here.
Hi.
That was
Christmas tree.